kid. Today the first time I'm making cake for Daddy because today is his birthday. He always makes cake for me, so I make cake for him. This is all what we need. This is maida pindi. This is sugar. This is vegetable oil. This is eggs. This is butter. This is chocolate chip. This is vanilla essence. We also need baking powder. Take a mixer grinder and now we'll put 2 cups of maida. Now it's our second cup. The same, we're going to put 2 cups of sugar. 2 full cups of sugar. We're going to pour our first cup. Now, the one we just did was our second cup. Now we have to grind this. And now we're gonna put baking powder with the sugar and maida pindi. We have to grind this into fine powder. Amma is going to help me with it. Now this is fine powder. Now we should put this powder into this bowl. Now we're gonna put 3 eggs in the mixer. And Amma is going to help me. And now we're gonna put this egg yolk into the bowl. And now we're gonna put vanilla essence in here, 2 cups. Now we're gonna put vegetable oil into this bowl and we're gonna put 1 big cup. Now we're gonna put chocolate chip into the bowl. I like chocolate chips, so I'm just gonna eat them, but you need not do this. This is how the chocolate chips look like. Now we're gonna mix them all nicely. This is too small, so Amma is going to give me a big spoon. Now it has good consistency. Now it is so yummy and delicious. Now I'll put this much butter into this bowl on the walls and on the ground. Now I'm gonna put all of this cake sweet into this bowl. Arjun, we're not done cake. We're not done, stop! Now we're gonna put some chocolate chip into this bowl on the top of the cake. 1 by 1. And I should spread them. We're gonna put it in our stove oven. Mom put the oven preheated 350 degrees. I had it to put 35 minutes. In that 35 minutes, I'll eat all of this leftover thing. I love this. I'm gonna eat this all by myself, not share it with Arjun. This is so delicious, I just don't want to share it with anyone. Our cake is almost done in 50, 48, 47, 35 seconds, 34 seconds. I don't like cream, so I'm not putting cream on this cake. What about this hand? I can't even put it. I need 2 hands to put, but the cake is too hot. I'll hold this man.